In today's video, we're going to check out the top 5 best juicers in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their durability, quality, price, and more. To find out more information, you can check out the description below. At number 5, it's the Breville 800JE XL. If you want a juicer with a large motor, larger pulp container, and is constructed of higher-end materials, the Breville 800JE XL could be your best option. From a design perspective, the unique design of this juicer extends to its feed chute that's directly centered on top of the shredding disc. The 800JE XL is designed to last for years. Its body is made from die-cast metal. The blades of the cutting disc have titanium inside, and the mesh filter is also stainless steel. In addition, it has a 3-inch feed chute, which for me makes all the difference between using this juicer and not using one at all. A wide feed chute lessens the need to pre-cut fruits like apple or pears, which could save you 15 to 1000 watts with 2-speed controls going from 6500 to 13,000 RPM. Just in case you're new to juicing, 6500 to 13,000 RPM. Just in case you're new to juicing, a centrifugal machine extracts large quantities of juice at high speeds. Moving on, this juicing machine can process hard produce, soft fruits, and citrus fruits. Hard produce includes cilantro, pear, pineapple, coconut, asparagus, watermelon, cucumber, apple, yacon, garlic, cauliflower, celery, fennel, bitter gourd, beets, sweet potato, carrots, pepper, turmeric, pumpkin, ginger, and broccoli. Citrus fruits include orange, tangerine, lime, grapefruit, mandarin, and lemon. Furthermore, using the low-speed setting, you can process soft fruits such as peach, tomato, melon, mango, blackberry, kiwi fruit, papaya, grapes, avocado, strawberry, cranberries, and pomegranate for making a puree. Moreover, these parts are dishwasher safe. That makes cleanup easier than ever. If you choose to hand wash the parts, use the scrubber brush that comes with the Breville juice fountain to make it easier to get all the pulp off the mesh filter and other parts. In general, those who purchased this machine claim that they are really satisfied with the features that it offers. They claim that deciding for this juicer, they've changed their lifestyle, and for the price you pay, it's definitely worth it. Finally, if you're looking for an affordable juicer that performs like a premium one, then this would be your top choice. At number 4, it's the Omega J8006 HDS. Starting your mornings with a nutritious breakfast and a glass of fresh juice is a must for everyone who wants to stay healthy. And to enjoy a glass of healthy homemade juice every day, all you need to have is the most reliable juicer. The Omega J8006 HDS is exactly what you need. Design-wise, I have to admit, Omega took their time creating this juicer. It appeals to the eye, and its glossy black and chrome exterior makes any kitchen look classy. It may have a large footprint, but when you find a permanent spot for it on your counter, you won't have to worry about space. Think of it as your motivation to juice every morning. Now let's talk about features. The Omega J8006 HDS horizontal masticating juicer is equipped with a powerful motor to thoroughly crush plant fibers to fully extract vitamins, enzymes, and minerals from fruits, vegetables, and wheatgrass. Moving on, the dual-stage juicing system ensures maximum efficiency, while its low rotation speed reduces the impact on antioxidants, less foaming and clogging, and reduced heat buildup. It's important to mention that this juicer can process soft and hard produce, leafy greens, citrus fruits, beans, and nuts. Hard produce includes sweet potato, asparagus, ginger, pear, coconut, cauliflower, celery, carrots, etc. Green leafy vegetables such as spring onion, pine tree needles, kale, parsley, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, moringa, and more. Citrus fruits like lemon, orange, grapefruit, mandarin, lime, and tangerine. As you can see, this juicer is multifunctional. Moreover, thanks to its great motor and dimensions, this machine is not as noisy as a centrifugal juicer, but it does still make a big ruckus. Furthermore, the J8006 HDS cleanup can be broken down into 4 parts. First, the feed chute, second, the blade, third, the auger, and finally, the collection bin. Except for the auger, every other component cleans up quick and easy, provided you do it with hot water. In general, if you want to change your lifestyle immediately, I highly recommend it. Once you decide on this machine, you won't regret your decision. To conclude, the Omega J8006 HDS works excellently to ensure you get the full juice yield from your fruits and vegetables. At number 3, it's the Breville JE98XL. Juicing is both an art and a science, and choosing the right juicer can be daunting. That's why the Breville JE98XL could be an ideal choice for you, especially if you're new to juicing. Aesthetically speaking, the juicer looks attractive from the exterior and performs just as well on the inside. It provides a stress-free juicing experience and a delicious tasting juice. The body is made from heavy-grade polymer, which is much stronger than your usual plastic materials. The cutting disc is made from stainless steel. It's so effective that compared to other juicers, it can get 30% more juice. More to the point, you get 40% more of the vitamins and minerals from the produce. Now let's focus on performance. This model comes with a powerful motor of 850 watts. It's strong enough to take on even hard produce such as beets without trouble. And other produce is just the run-of-the-mill. Moving on, this juicer has 2 speeds, fast 12,000 RPM and slow 6,500 RPM. The idea here is that the slower speed is for softer fruits and vegetables so they don't get spun out into the pulp bin before the JE98XL has had a chance to extract the juice. The fast speed is needed for harder fruits and vegetables like carrots and apples. My only remark has to do with the noise. Centrifugal juicers operate at high speed and the noise is significantly greater than the masticating or slow type juicers. Having said that, the majority of users report it particularly noisy in use. When it comes to cleaning, the JE98XL is praised for its smooth surfaces. The fewer the crevices, the less places bacteria can hide. The cleaning brush that's included is a must-have. All parts are dishwasher safe, top shelf, except for the mesh filter basket, disc and food pusher. Finally, the Breville JE98XL is one of the ideal products even for first-time users of a juice extractor. From its specifications to features and benefits, you'll see that you get the best value out of this product. Although there are minor issues, you won't need to worry too much about its overall performance. At number 2, it's the Hamilton Beach 67608A. Everybody wants to stay fit and healthy, but not many want to go through the pain of preparing healthy food. Preparing fruit and vegetable juices can be really taxing if you don't have an efficient juicer. Hamilton brings you the Hamilton Beach 67608A, which is efficient and easy to use. Design-wise, this juicer features a BPA-free construction with plastic and some stainless steel on the base. This model is a comparatively small centrifugal juicer which won't take up so much of your kitchen countertop space, so you won't have to worry where you'll place it. It packs a 3-inch wide big mouth feed chute which will help you to cut down on juicing time by letting you put in most kinds of products without needing to cut them into smaller chunks. Additionally, there's also a 20-ounce juice container if you're thinking about making large quantities of juice at once. Regarding performance, thanks to its powerful 800-watt motor, this juicer is powerful enough to deal with most products. This motor should be able to withstand the work of juicing medium-sized batches of juices derived from hard foods or large batches of those made from soft foods. Moving on, this juicer will work best on hard, juicy and fibrous stuff like cucumber, apple, carrot, celery and beet, particularly carrot, because it's the type of hard ingredient with a lot of mass that the cutting blades like to chew on. Furthermore, the extra-large pulp canister is a nice feature of this juicer. The biggest advantage is that you shouldn't have to stop to empty it in the middle of making juice. Also, it's nice if you want to save your pulp, which has a lot of great purposes. You can use it in the garden, in recipes, or even feed it to certain pets. However, one disadvantage of this juicer is that there are no speed settings or levels, meaning it can only be turned on or off with the level of speed always remaining constant. It's important to mention that this machine is easy to disassemble and clean after use, with the parts being dishwasher safe. Overall, the Hamilton Beach 67608A works excellently to ensure you get the full juice yield from your fruits and vegetables. And at number 1, it's the Breville BJE200XL. If you're looking for a powerful, compact and easy to use centrifugal juicer that'll make a meal of some of the toughest fruit and vegetables, then the Breville BJE200XL may be the one for you. From a design perspective, this particular model is not tiny, but it's one of the smaller high-quality juicers with measurements of 9.5 by 8.8 by 16 inches. A 3-inch feed chute accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, and a dual knife assembly keeps fruits and vegetables centered and stabilized. Accessories include a 1-liter pitcher with froth separator and a cleaning brush. Now let's talk about performance. Breville's BJE 200XL is an ultra-powerful juicer which sports a 700-watt motor. Its motor easily spins the stainless steel cutting disc at around 14,000 RPM. This allows the cutting blade to easily extract juices from any type of fruit or vegetable. I have to admit, this device is easy to use. Its plug-and-play aesthetic makes it possible for every user to take advantage of this juicer. Its simplicity is superior, as it doesn't require you to consult the instruction manual every time you have to use it. Moving on, with hard fruits and vegetables like apples and carrots, the pulp is satisfyingly dry, and this juicer is really good for this. As with most centrifugal juicers, it isn't so great at juicing soft produce. Moreover, despite the power brought by the BJE 200XL, it's a quiet model. You may even want to prepare juice in the middle of the night with this appliance and without waking up other household members. When it comes to cleaning, all of the components are dishwasher safe, but I think it's still good to use the supplied brush and clean the mesh filter by hand, even if you then still place it in the washer. In general, the users claim that this juicer can accomplish every housewife's needs as it offers unique features and performs fantastically. So, give it a try to assure yourself of its quality. To conclude, if we check its specs closely, then without a doubt, investing in such a powerful centrifugal juicer would be the right decision.